Hello student, this is Sandeep Singh and this is your chapter 5, the hot desert region. In this chapter, I have already explained the what is a extension of the hot desert region and what is the type of climate found in this region. And also I explained that which types animals are found in this region. Here you see the different types of animal which are found in the desert region like snake, fox which are live in burrow, and kite which up to fly in the sky to escape the sun, escape the heat of the earth. Okay, now I am explain today the human life. Okay, so let's start now. The extreme climate, lack of water make life in this desert difficult. There are very extreme hot in the desert region. Okay, and other main important thing is water, lack of water. Okay, here you find no water, you have no find the water at a lot. Some part of the desert only like a patch of water found in the desert that called is oasis. An oasis is an area where a patch of water comes up the surface of the earth. Okay, we will study forward. As a result, this is one of the most thinly populated region in the world. So the desert region is the most thinly populated, low population. It has the low population in the world because there is no water availability in this region and there is no vegetation also found in this region which help the development of the human resources. Most people live in city located along the edge of desert or around the oasis. Some cities are in the desert region are developed either the edge of the desert or where from oasis found. Okay, the main occupation of the people are raising animals, farming, transporting goods and trading and mining. The main occupation of the people in desert regions is farming. Farming is possible where there is some patch of water found like oasis, so they able to grow different types of crops like palm, date, okay, etc. Transporting goods, and they engage in transporting. In ancient time they also traveled to one part of the a part of the region. Today they have also transport to one part to another part. Trading and mining, they have also engaged in mining. Small groups people continue to live in interior or in desert. Okay, some people who lives in the desert in midway in desert, they lead nomadic life. They are which type life? Nomadic people, one who not live in one place, that is called nomadic. Okay, constantly moving from place to place in search of food and water for their livestock. They move one place to one another for food and water for their and their livestock, which means animals they reared. They also search in search of food of and water. They do not have permanent home and live tent made from wool or animal skin. As you know that they lead the nomadic life, so they do not live in permanent house. They only live in the tent which are made by the animal skins or wool. These nomadic people are known as Bedouin. In different part of the desert, there are many types of nomadic people called in different region that these are Bedouin in Arabians and Tuareg in Sahara. Okay, Bedouins in Arabian desert and Tuareg in Sahara. The Shan people of Kalahari. Kalahari desert is found in Africa, South Africa. Okay, in this region the nomadic people called Shan and Pitpui people in Australia are some other nomadic group who live in the desert. They are gatherer and hunter. They are also hunter and gatherer like which you study in the previous chapter in equatorial region. Okay, in this region they also like Bedouin, Tuareg, Pinpui and San people also hunter and gatherers. These are the some pictures are given in your books of the uh, tribe nomadic people like Bedouin. Okay, they also raised goat, sheep, and camels. And Tuareg women like this. And Tuareg men their traditional blue outfits. Okay, they wear blue clothes. Farming is practiced near source of water such as river Nile in Sahara or Al Hassa oasis. Farming where the only a part of Nile that is possible, okay, for agriculture, so they practice farming. And in a Sahara desert, large oasis found Al Hassa, okay, Arabian desert. So here is possible farming. The main crops grown are date palm, millet, fruit and vegetable. They also grow date palms, millets, fruit and vegetables. Fruits like date and olives also grow in a large quantity. These day crops are also being grown in other part of the desert with the help of vast irrigation project. In these days, the scientific method used they used to grow the different types of crops also in the desert region. Here some words are given that define these words. Nomadic. What do you mean by nomadic? I say that the people who moving from one place to another called nomadic people. And irrigation. What is irrigation? What is irrigation? Irrigation means to give the water in the field in different method, that is called irrigation. And Karwa, a group of people which are uh, travel in one place to another for trading their goods. Okay, that is called Karwa. Trading is important activity in the desert. Trader travel in Karma. Okay, they travel in Karma. Karma is a group of people which are travel by the camels or animals in a group uh, for long distance, that is called Karma, with the good mint that trade loaded on the long line of camel. Salt, carpet, clothes, grain, and date were important items of trade. Which types of goods are they trade? The salt, carpet, clothes, grains, dates. Okay. Next is with the introduction of faster means of transport like desert, jeeps, vans, and truck, the important karma trader is slowly diminishing. Slowly, they introduced the faster means of transport like jeep, vans, and trucks. They also used to go for trade by these vehicles. So the karma is slowly vanished. Okay, they do not use the animals. They also use the vehicles. So the karma is a tradition which led in the desert region slowly demolished, and the Arabian desert has a rich deposit of petroleum and natural gas. As you know that the desert region of Arabian desert, and it is rich in petroleum and natural gas. There are many countries like Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait. These are the largest producer of petroleum and natural gas. The Sahara and the Australia desert have minerals like iron ore and copper, and also the Sahara desert and Australian desert have also producer of iron and copper. Okay. In Sahara desert, they have also uh, producer of iron, copper, and borax, sodium nitrate, and gems. Therefore, mining is an important activity in this region. So, this region has a large quantity of mines they produce like iron, copper, borax, and etc. Okay, so this region has a rich today in petroleum gas. Okay, so these are the led the prosperous life in this region today. Okay, so let's the some points, main points given which are comes up in this lesson. Once again, the which types name the nomadic people which are lives in the desert region. So we look at the first Bedouins in Arabian deserts, Tuareg in Sahara. Okay, Tuareg Sahara desert which is extend in Africa. Okay, and Bedouin in Arabians. Okay, next is Sand, Kalahari desert, and Pintpui where live in Australia. Okay, next point is they are also hunter and gatherers. The important river of the desert in Egypt that is called Nile, which is the grace of the Nile. Also here the some practice of farming also, and they also produce vegetables, fruits, millets. Okay, now what is the karma? Karma is a group of people which travel by camels, okay, in a large line. They also travel by salt, carpet, clothes, grain and dates. Okay, so this is the important fact of this lesson, these topics. Today, next day, we will explain about the what is the main problems in the desert region and what types of problems face in this region. Okay, so till then, goodbye, thank you.